In this video, we're going to be looking at the quick feet drill, which is an awesome running drill I often do towards the end of the raise or running drills phase as we start to pick up the tempo. But it's also a great drill during the potentiation phase. Essentially what we're doing is moving the feet as fast as we can over a set distance. We want to contact the floor as many times as possible. Now this is where certain cues are not great. Often when we think about fast feet, we think about being light on the feet. However, if I try and be light on the feet, it's going to slow me down. I need to produce force to produce speed. So I need to stab my foot into the floor. Let's take a quick look. Make sure you're moving your arms just as fast. Drive the arms and the legs will go. So I've got quick feet. See how I'm stabbing my feet into the floor? As many contacts with the floor between this set distance. Moving nice and fast. We can keep the knees lower or we can raise them right up. We can do sideways. Or forwards and back. So it's a great way to ramp things up towards the end. So let's take a look at this drill in an outdoor setting.